You be a new person when just dey start poultry farm, abi you just like to know poultry farming, or abi you wan just like to do poultry farming. Sha, congratulations for your decision wey you make. Na fine decision be that. As we know, poultry farm na fine agricultural business wey be say you fit make money with am well well if you know am. So poultry farming e dey very important. Even though you be young person o, you be old person, you be graduate o, you be non-graduate, you fit enter poultry farming. Poultry farming na fine agricultural business wey deal with the raising and training of birds. So now before you go start poultry farming, e get some certain things wey you need know before you start poultry farming. Wetin be dem? Number one na knowledge. Yes, knowledge dey very important. When you get idea about poultry farming, e no go hard for you when you dey raise poultry bird. So e dey very important to learn poultry farming. How you fit take learn dat one? You fit learn am with your friend, you fit pay person money make dem teach you, or you fit learn am online. Dat one dey very important. Another thing na capital, money wey you go need to use start the poultry business. Dat one too, e dey very important. You need get money to start poultry farming because na business e be, so you need put money. Thirdly, na to buy your poultry bed. So as you don get the money now, wetin you go do na to buy poultry bed, either na the cockerel, broiler or noilers or even other type of poultry bed. You go buy dem. So after you don buy your poultry bed, the next thing na drugs and vaccine you go buy. Drugs dey help cure sickness and disease for your poultry bed, while vaccine e dey help to prevent the spread of disease for your poultry bed. So you need to buy am because as you learn poultry farming, dem go teach you how to use drugs. Which drugs you go use to cure dis disease, which one you go use to cure another one, and how to administer dis drug and vaccine to your poultry bed. The next one na to take care of your poultry bed. Dat one dey very important. To take care of your poultry bed, e dey very important because if you no take care of your poultry bed well, dem go die and na loss to you. And again, as you dey take care of your poultry bed, you go maintain wetin dem dey call biosecurity. Wetin be biosecurity? Biosecurity na the different ways and measure wey we dey take prevent our bed from sickness. Some of dis biosecurity means na to clean the poultry house, isolate sick bird, treat the bird anytime when you see bird wey no well so dat you no go transfer am give other bird. So taking care of your poultry bed e dey very important. So na dis na some of the ways wey you fit take start poultry farming as a new person, or even though sef say you don know poultry farming before. But if you follow dis step, you go raise your poultry bed successfully even though sef say you be novice or you just start today. I hope say una enjoy the video. Una no forget to subscribe to DIY Farm. See you for my next video. Bye bye.